Hello, my name is Chris Shelton, and welcome Cooking with Chris. Tonight, what I thought I'd make for you is a simple and healthy dish, and that's pad thai. With all the shiitake mushrooms, we got some yummy garlic, some black lava salt, avocado oil to saute the tofu. Here's the healthy noodle that I was talking about. Now, this stuff is pretty amazing. No cholesterol, no sugar, no fat, dairy-free, gluten-free. It's yummy and delicious. Got 3 eggs, and we have this Thai sauce. This is an almond Thai sauce, so there's no peanuts in it, and it has all healthy ingredients in it, so check it out. So very simple recipe, and then once again, we have our tofu, and I'm gonna go ahead and chop that up, and let's get cooking. So I'm not much of a big bean sprout guy, so I'm using this live living food of this organic broccoli sprouts, so good for you. So what I've done now is I've gone ahead and I've put in the healthy noodle into this little strainer here. I'm going to rinse it with some cold water. Gonna rinse that. This tofu thing is pretty cool. So all I do is I just tighten it up here, and what it does is it squeezes out the excess moisture. It's a very simple contraption, but I love simplicity. So it squeezes it. I keep on tightening it. And cut the tofu now. And, you know, tofu's gotten actually a bad rap. And organic tofu is really good for what we call kidney yin deficiencies. Helps women that have trouble getting pregnant. So it could help also with hot flashes or night sweats. And really just good for the kidneys. Also anti-aging as well too. So we're gonna grab this and now take this and put it in our preheated. Got the avocado oil going, nice and warm there. I'm gonna drop this in carefully, not to burn myself, hopefully. And I like my tofu to be brown, so it's up to you what temperature. I do about a medium heat, medium high. So I'm gonna go ahead and brown this first. Okay, so this is nice and brown now, so now I'm going to add these shiitake mushrooms in here. Just toss those bad boys in there. You know, so shiitake mushrooms are really good for you, mushrooms in general, and in particular, shiitake mushrooms are neutral and sweet in nature, as well as they help to strengthen the stomach and promote healing and lowers blood pressure. It's really good for, some people say for tumors, diabetes, and hypertension, high cholesterol and high blood pressure. Plus it's a good liver detoxifier as well too, just a gentle liver detoxifier, so good stuff. I'm going to saute for a little bit. So while that's still sauteing here, I'm going ahead and cooking up the eggs right now. So we're going to add some those organic eggs. I'm going to add in the green onions. Add some of that in. So green onions are good for the lung network. So they're pungent in nature, slightly sweet. So they help with the lung and spleen network, and especially when you saute them, they really help to benefit digestion, helps promote sweating as well too. Good stuff. All right, so I'm going to add some of this roasted garlic in here. This is some really good stuff. Just going to add a little bit. So garlic is also a pungent and hot food, you know, and what it's good for is cancer and high cholesterol and high blood pressure, or somebody that's vomiting or coughing up blood. But it's contraindicated for anybody with dry eye disorder or mouth sores or tongue ulcers. So it's very pungent in nature and helps benefit the lung and the spleen network as well. So it's good to know just what these foods do. And when you bake them or saute them, it changes the energetic properties or qualities about them. So it's good to know that, as well as obviously the nutritional value behind food. Okay, so we took the egg out and we cut the chicken egg, and it's cool and sweet in nature. It also tonifies yin of the body, can help with dry cough, dysentery, blood, and what we call as yin deficiencies inside the body. But eating too much eggs may not be good for your health, so we could recommend instead that we would actually do egg whites instead. So, all right, putting that in there. Now, what's cool about this black lava salt is that it adds a smoky flavor. And by the way, Himalayan sea salt, as long as it's not in excess, is actually can be used for certain types of kidney diseases. But always talk to your acupuncturist or herbalist first. So this black salt, lava salt, has a smoky flavor, so it's going to add a little twist to what it is that we're doing here. All right, so now we're going to add in those healthy noodles. Mix some of that in there. Now adding in some of this almond sauce. That in there. Sprouts in particular are slightly cool in nature and bitter. They can help with swelling and constipation, and sometimes they say they could help with skin lesions. So instead I'm actually using these organic sprouts. I'm going to add some of those in, and notice I waited to the very end because I don't want to overcook them. So sprinkle that in there. We are D-O-N-E done. Almond sauce that we use is a very simple remedy, but I have quite a few chef friends, professional chefs here in Los Angeles, and they can comment below on this link here and put in their recipe ideas to make a very healthy pate sauce. It's a healthy meal that's very quick to make. I think my prep time was about 15 minutes, cutting up the mushrooms and prepping the egg and cutting up the green onions and such. Cook time approximately about 20 minutes, and again, a very simple yet delicious and delightful and nutritious food at the same time. So I'm Chris Shelton from Shelton Qigong, signing off from a beautiful day in Los Angeles, California, the heart of Hollywood. And until next time, I will chi you later.